In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase my chances for engagement. How do I break through to an unresponsive buyer? We've talked about this graph previously. This graph shows the response rates of using different types of pre-call research. Only having the company and contact data basically gets me ignored, which is really depressing for salespeople. Having insights about businesses gives you a 24 to 32% chance of breaking through the noise. Let's talk shop. 92% of buyers ignore unsolicited calls or emails. When you're the first one in a deal, you have a 65% chance of winning the sale just because you're helping write the requirements and hopefully skewing it towards your strengths. And by using insights business triggers, we internally see about a 20% response rate, which is crazy. Let's jump into CRM and see how we do this. Navigate to an account, and once you're there, go to the Insights box over on the right side of the screen. If a company has specific types of business events, we will show the most recent 3 to 4 news items. At the bottom of the Insights section, click on View More. It's important that you figure out what business triggers are most helped by your product or service, and by doing that, you will increase your sales effectiveness dramatically. For instance, many businesses live with a bad CRM implementation or no CRM for a long time. Some examples of business drivers for buying a new CRM system might be a leadership change. A new leader's job is to shake things up and get things working. Or maybe there was an acquisition and it's better to start over rather than merge two inferior systems together. Inside View is looking for 18 different types of business events. The amount of news items that we have is in correlation to the size of the company typically. Larger companies usually produce larger amounts of PR and are mentioned in the news more. Medium-sized companies will produce smaller amounts of news, and small companies may have 1 to 2 items a year. Regardless of the amount of news, it's about being relevant and timely. Since Amgen has many items in the news, I'm going to pick leadership changes by scrolling down. I can see that Amgen over here on the right is getting a new CFO, Judy Brown. Let's assume that Judy's a decision maker that I need to talk to. As a CFO, I probably am going to talk to her about reducing costs. Let's see how I'd write that email. When I write the email, the first thing needs to be a compelling subject line. Make it short, since 40% of emails are read on the phone. It's also more likely to get read if I put the company or that person's name in the subject. Next, in the body, keep it short. Be specific as opposed to being general. Mention specific business events and how I've helped other companies solve similar problems. We've helped Acme Company achieve a 30% boost in X by doing Y. And then I'm going to end with a call to action. Who would be the best person to speak to? Or when do you have 50 minutes to discuss this? Again, at Inside View, we've used this tactic and we have gotten emails back the same day with either the correct person we need to speak with or an appointment. Insights powered by Inside View can help you find timely and relevant ways to really break into unresponsive buyers. In this video, I showed you how to increase my chances for engagement. Inside View is about targeting the right buyers with the right message at exactly the right time. If this video is helpful, click like below and share it with a colleague. For more how-tos, check out our other videos.